everybody. Welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're gonna make some cold brew coffee. Let's get ready. So we're gonna need something that acts as a funnel, an empty bottle, coffee, a pitcher. I'm gonna use a second empty bottle, and then a somewhat full bottle, and an empty glass. We start by putting whiskey in the empty glass, and then making it empty again. I'm gonna make like a month's worth of coffee. Take our coffee in the funnel. Oh, yep, okay, there we go. You take your empty glass, you fill it, and then you empty it again. Got my bottle about an eighth full. Fill it up with some water. I hate water! Come on, fucker. Now you take your empty shot glass, fill it up, and then you empty it. Like this. Science. Alright, turn that shit off. I realized that I should have used my mason jar. If I use that fucking thing, I only got like a day's worth. Then with this, I got like a day and a half's worth. Taking a stirring spoon, gently stirring it about. Maybe I'll roll it a few times. You mix it, not too much. You don't want to break it, because then it's gonna be a bitch probably. Would you stop that? Stop laughing at me! This is my art. These people love me, man, and you're fucking my shit, bitch. This fucking... And this is why you take an empty shot glass. Stop laughing! You fill it up, and then you empty it. I'm gonna fucking kill her, I swear to God. You take your bottle that you got, leave it in the fridge for about a day. See you later, guys. While you wait. Alright guys, it's the next day. So many deep feelings. Fucking total Bellas, baby. So much drama. Alright, it's the next day. We're making our cold brew coffee. So we got our steeped coffee, our fucking coffee filter, got a strainer and a thing. Put our strainer in our thing. We put it in the strainer. Here we go. Not gonna pass the coffee filter. So it's straining through the filter. Wait. I might take a couple of coffee filters. And we got that right there. You take an empty glass and then you fill it up like so. And then you empty it. Necessity is the mother of all invention. Hang your strainer somewhere you can. We're gonna take our shit and put it in the barrel or the bottle. You know it's funny, they're like really sweet coffee, so doesn't help you much, but I'll tell you how this tastes. This is as is. Yeah, tastes like coffee. A whole cup of sugar. Come on, fucker. You take a cup of water, and you boil it. Take an empty glass, fill it up, and empty it. Keep stirring this. I take our simple syrup, which may or may not be too hot. Oh God, please don't burn. We are good to go. Oh, NASA, there's no fucking problem here. And let's give it a taste. I love it. I actually really do like it a lot. Yeah, it's good. That's how you do it. That's how you fucking do it without a French press. I think I use like 8 coffee filters. Yeah. Look how happy I am. Michelle! Oh, the fuck? Oh, shit. Have a good day, everybody.